Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove text from your video using VN Video Editor. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my VN Video Editor app on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create new project. So I'm going to click on this plus icon and then select new project, and I'm going to choose video based since we want to edit video. Then just click on save, and then you can choose a video you want to remove text from. And I'm just going to choose a video from one of my gallery album. Wait. Okay, for example guys, I'm going to remove the text from this video. So I'm gonna add this video to my project. We can select the video and then choose next. Alright, now the video has been added to my project and it's time to remove this text from this video. I'm going to duplicate my video first. We can click on the video until the video is active and then click on duplicate to duplicate the video. And then we're going to make this video as an overlay. So we're going to click on the overlay menu. Wait guys, okay, this one PIP track. You can click on this menu to make the video as an overlay. Okay, then tap on the second video and then we're going to click on fit to fit the screen like this. And to remove the text from the video, we're going to use mask. So we need to go to the mask option and choose the shape of the mask. For example, I'm going to choose rectangle, and then we can adjust the size of the mask and take another part of our video which is suitable to cover the text. I'm just going to take this part and click on the check mark, and then we're going to drag the mask to cover the text like this. Okay, that's done. And to make it more natural, I'm going to apply filter or adjustment. We're going to go to the filter menu and I'm gonna go to adjust, and then I'm going to try to adjust the brightness just a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna increase the brightness. Okay, and click on the check mark. Okay, and I'm going to play it to show you guys the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to remove text from video using a VN Video Editor. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.